be blowing this little man up with this M80 because my granddad's a bad influence. And
what did you do to it though? You cover it up?
Yeah, I covered it up right to the fuse. Okay.
That wasn't too bad. Yeah, well, yeah, but
There's a man.
you get more dangerous.
It's not.
These two guys have been walking down this road and they see this red thing sticking in the ground. Well, they don't really know what that is, so they're looking at it. Ooh, that blew out.
Boom!
I don't know if they're both going or not.
Wow.
On bomb trap because they're at war. But what we don't know about these boys is they're retarded. Oh. We gotta kill it.
We gotta kill this monster. He's smoking.
Oh.
He did. Okay. Go. Just make a video after.
Get back, back.
He did.